Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Cooking. Today we are going to make a delicious honey barbecue sauce with a touch of jerk season. Come over to my kitchen, guys. Let's go cooking. Delicious. Guys, I can't wait for you to try this sauce. The taste is heavenly. Oh my goodness. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload. So here we have water, we have barbecue sauce. There I have some jerk season, and I'm going to add some honey. So once again, I repeat, we are using water, barbecue sauce, honey, and jerk season. I list the measurement in the description box. So after we add all the season, all the ingredients, we are going to give it a properly mix. So this is what our sauce look like after we give it a properly mix. We have a beautiful looking sauce here. It is not too thick, it is not too thin, and we are going to allow it to slowly simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. So this is the final result of our lovely sauce. Here I'm serving it up with some French fried chicken, or you could say fried chicken KFC style. Look at this. Mouth-watering delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoy, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and a big shout out to all my subscribers and faithful viewers. Thank you so much. Bye.